Hello Medicos. I am a third year medical student at Government Medical College Sindhudurg, and today I am here to guide all the first year medical students regarding all the essential things that you must buy before entering into the first year. First and the most essential thing you'll be needing as a doctor is the stethoscope. There are two types of stethoscope. One is the costlier and one is affordable at your own price. I have this is the microtone stethoscope. The quality of the stethoscope depends upon the earbuds. My friend had recently purchased a new stethoscope, but the earbuds started to pierce and causes irritation and itching in the ear. Choose your stethoscope wisely as it will be a savior during your postings. Second most essential thing you will be requiring as the first year medico is the dissection kit. Indeed, dissection kit is a must and a required thing during your anatomy postings. Like during the dissection hall, you'll be given the chance to open the live cadaver and you can use these instruments as a tool to dissect the body. The third and the most important thing you'll be requiring as a medico is an iPad or a tablet. The choice is yours. It also provides you with a pencil. The pencil helps in making notes and a simplified version of what you are learning through the video lectures or the live lectures which you will be going to attend during your first year. It is also essential to keep a pair of earbuds with you. I have this earbuds of noise which has good noise cancellation property. I will recommend you to use a neckband or the earbuds which I use, as during studying in the library it will be easier for you to allow others study effectively as well as your study being efficient. Fourth and the most essential thing you will be requiring as the first year medical is a good folder. A folder is beneficial for keeping important documents such as the NEET admit card, the results of the upcoming MBBS years, as well as essential passing certificates of 10th and 12th standard. According to me, it has helped me and provided an excellent support during all the 3 years. The next thing, according to me, which is very essential during your first year MBBS is a pair of notebooks. There are three major subjects in your first MBBS course: the anatomy, physiology, and the biochemistry. A notebook for each of the three subjects is very essential. I have used 300-page books for each subject. Using a notebook for making notes has additional benefits as it provides a concise and a very rapid go through all the notes that you have made. I also recommend you all to use a planner. A planner is very essential during the first days of your MBBS as it will help you to schedule your day starting from waking up till going bed. The next important thing which I am going to tell you all, especially for the hostelites, is the table lamp. If you are a night person, then the table lamp is the utmost and the important tool that you can use to study during your night hours. Next most important thing you'll be requiring as a first year medico is a good type of pouch which has 2 to 3 compartments, as you can accommodate various things such as the highlighters, type of notepad you can use for making notes. All can be kept in different types of shelves. You'll know that first year MBBS has a vast portion. For anatomy, I have used BD Chaurasia as well as Vishram Singh. Vishram Singh contains good diagrams and it is important to make diagrams in your anatomy paper. Next, physiology. For physiology, you can use Guyton and Hall or the Sembulingam. The choice is yours. My preference will always be Guyton. The third subject which you all have during your first year MBBS is the biochemistry. There is a famous book called as Satyanarayana which will help you to guide throughout your first year journey. Next most important thing you'll be requiring is a good power bank, as it will help you charge all your devices and electronic gadgets such as your mobile phones, your laptops, your tablets, iPads, your smartwatches. It's very essential to have a power bank with you. The important thing is a good bag. Type of bag is very essential as it will hold all your content the books, the iPad, the charger, the power bank, everything. So I recommend using a waterproof bag as it will be very beneficial during your entire MBBS journey. You'll be also requiring a pair of gloves during your dissection lectures. Most important is a good quality pen as it's very essential to use a right type of pen which will suit you to write during your exams. So this was all that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope this video would have been beneficial to you all. So share this video with all your medical friends and the upcoming medicals. I wish everyone a very good journey for upcoming MBBS. So stay tuned for the further updates and the videos on this channel. So like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to ring this bell. Thank you.